In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a fog light housing on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located behind the front bumper. Let's get started. Using a 15mm socket, we're going to go around removing the bolts for the backing plate for the fog light housing. Remove the 2 bolts for the support. Remove the support. Remove the connector for the fog light bulb. Push on the tab on the top, pull straight back, remove the connector. Remove the plastic stays for the harness off of the holding plate. There's one more above the assembly right where my hand is. Right there. I'm going to pull that down into the side. I'm going to switch to a ratchet, still using our 15mm socket and removing the bolts. We have one last bolt up to the left. Remove the assembly. Using a 7mm, we're going to remove the screws on either side. Push on the plastic tabs in the back. We're going to push these down and forward. Remove the front trim piece. We're going to use a 10mm socket to pull these clips together and then push the fog light through. Insert the socket over it, push it slightly forward, and repeat that process for all of the clips. Remove the fog light housing. Insert the fog light through the front, lining the clips up in the back. To make adjustments to the headlight, you'll use a Phillips head screwdriver in this bottom right hole and move it in or out, depending on whether you want to point it up or down. Install the front trim piece. Make sure all the clips clip into place. Install the bolts on either side. Install the assembly back into the vehicle. When you're trying to get this top left part in, tilt the assembly down and forward on the top, and then that hook will pop right into the top. Go around and get all the bolts started. Go around and snug the bolts down. Torque all of the bolts to 43 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Install the brace, get the bolt started. Snug the bolts down. Torque them to 43 foot-pounds. Install the plastic stays for the harness. There's one more right above the fog light. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Turn on the fog lights and check the aim. If you need to make any adjustments, you can do so using that adjusting screw.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.